Are you tired of paying huge amounts to your lash person? Well, do not worry, my friends. You can get your lashes extended at home with Kiss Falscara kit. This video is not sponsored whatsoever. I wanted to try the Falscara lashes on me. I was able to put these on within 5 minutes. So you guys can also do the same. Just follow the step-by-step guide. Everything is right here on the back. It is really simple to follow, and you guys can also get these luscious lashes within minutes. Let's look in and see what it comes with. Hold on, before I open the plastic. These are the short, these are the long, these are the mediums. Okay, so obviously shorter goes on the inside, long goes on the outside, medium goes in the middle. I've done a bunch of lashes for years and years and years, but I've never done something like this. So this is the clamp that it comes with. This is the remover. This is the overnighter. One side is the bond and the other side is the seal. This is the bonding time now. Brush a light coat of bond on natural lashes. A little goes a long way. Now, one by one, gently place the wisps underneath the base of your natural lashes. A pro tip is to curl your lashes before the bonding time. As you can see, I'm having a little bit of a hard time. Overall, it is a seamless process. However, if you curl your lashes, you have a slightly more room to place your wisps under the waterline. Otherwise, it is a seamless process. The bond is so tacky that the wisps automatically get attached to your waterline. If you can mascara, you can Falscara for sure. I am pretty happy with the result. I love how it turned out. I'm simply taking the applicator and pushing both lashes, my lashes and the wisps, together. Okay, so that's eye number 1. I'm now repeating the same process all over again on the other eye. So Kiss's Falscara Lash Extension Kit is $24.99 at Target in the state of Illinois. I got mine at Target, but these are also sold at Amazon, and I will share the link in the description for you all. Now that both eyes are done, I'm sealing the deal with the seal. I'm dabbing a thin coat of seal under wisps. This final touch eliminates any sticky residue and holds Falscara wisps in place. The overnighter is optional. If you would like to extend the wear, just apply an additional thin layer under the wisps, slightly away from the wristband. Reapply 2 to 3 additional coats for a maximum strength as needed. Also, if you wanted to remove these lashes, you would just take a cotton pad and saturate with remover, place over eyes, hold for 10 seconds, gently wipe away to remove wisp, bond, and seal, and the overnighter. This is it, you guys. Let me know what you guys think. I will let you know how these lashes are holding up. The promise is about 10 to 14 days. I am in love. I really like it. I think these are really fun, and these were really easy to apply. It took me honestly 5 to 7 minutes to apply. This was the first time. Obviously, like, once you get the hang of it, I think it'll be easier the next time. Also, let me know if you guys want me to try out any other products. Let me know in the comments below, and I would love to do another video for you guys. Until next time, you guys take care, and thank you so much. Bye bye.